The Meghalaya Education Department is planning to introduce a chapter on the 6th schedule and basic laws of a state in the secondary level textbooks. Informing this, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said that the state government has asked MBOs to constitute a scrutiny committee to scrutinize the English, science and mathematics of NCERT books before adopting it into the state syllabus. He further added that even though the state is on the job to incorporate the 6th schedule and basic laws of a state in the MBO's textbooks, the plan won't be implemented before the year 2025.
From 2024, the English, the math and English, math and science can be adopted and will be followed in all the schools in the state affiliated to Meghalaya Board of School Education. But for the elementary stage, we will be having in 3 different languages. So in English and in Khasi and in Garo. And 2024 will be the whole year we will do all the exercises to develop our own textbook in adaptation of the NCERT. That means since we are moving for the copyright permission from the ministry, from the NCERT, and once we get the copyright, we will do contextualization